Hello everyone, this is Rick Kruger, also known as Honda Rick from Don Ayers Honda in Fort Wayne, Indiana. And today I'm going to show you just a few of the accessories that are available on the current 2019 Honda Passport. Please give me a big thumbs up for the video and leave any comments below on any of the accessories that you have questions on. And also please hit that subscribe button down below. I greatly appreciate it. So now come with me and let's go take a look at some of the accessories that are available on the 2019 Honda Passport. Okay, so let's try to go over some of these accessories that this vehicle has. Starting off, you have the low profile hood deflector that helps with bugs and stone chips. There's also a graphics package that the customer added on the top of the hood, and it is a carbon fiber look to it. If you can kind of see that, try to get a better angle for you. But there's actually a kind of a carbon fiber look to it. They also got what is known as an all-season package, which consists of the splash guards behind the front wheels and the rear wheels here. Coming back to the back, if I can open this up here. Part of the all-season package is this nice folding rear tray that outlines the whole cargo space in the back. The cloth mats on a Honda are standard, and that's what those are. And you can still open up the back with that tray because it's folding there to allow you to get to the back. One other thing is that they added these puddle lights in the back. I don't know if you can see these. It's daylight, but there's a puddle light there and over on this side. Because it's daylight, you can't really see it. And the other part of the all-season package is the rubber mats, which are nice and go from the door edge to door edge, and they are kind of a high wall for the ends. And then you've got the front floor mat, which says Passport, of course, on it. And you got the nice locking so they don't move. And then, of course, the same over on the other side. Another accessory that they added was these really nice door edge guards. And hopefully you can see these right here on the edge. Going down the side, so to get a better angle for it. Yeah, you can see it right here. So when you are opening up your door onto something else, it helps protect the edge of your door. And that is also on the backside door as well. Another thing to match with the low profile front hood scoop, they added the moonroof scoop on the top here as well, so that when they have the moonroof open, it allows the air to kind of go over the top instead of going inside the cabin a little bit less. Another protective item that they added were these door handle. If you can kind of see it, there's a film in here so that fingernails and so forth don't mar up the inside of the door handle, because when you're putting your hands in there, you're constantly getting scratches from fingernails and so forth. And those are called the door handle film, simply door handle film. So maybe I can get a better look on the other side. They also added what is called the rear bumper applique. So when you open up the tailgate, trying to get things out, there's a nice clear film right here, if you can see the edge of it. It's kind of hard because, well, it's clear. There's a film here. You can see the Honda H logo, noticing it there. So when they're getting something out, it's protected on the edge there nicely. So that is the rear bumper applique there, and then see if you can see the film on the door handles here a little bit better. With it being cloudy, they're not coming up very well, but of course it is a clear film, so I'm not surprised. But that is a few of the accessories on the 2019 Honda Passport. So once again, thank you so very much for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up. Ask any questions on any of the other accessories you'd like to see on the vehicle, and I'd be more than glad to accommodate and show more details. So again, this is Rick Kruger from Don Ayers Honda in Fort Wayne. Give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and place your comments down below, and I'll be glad to get back with you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.